No, I got this.
No, you eat it. You can eat it. Thank you. Okay. Mm-hmm. My God, you're filthy. Is that good, baby? Logan, is that good? Is the ice cream good? Turn around so Nana could see you. All right, there you go. Now Mommy can see you and Daddy. Wow. Wow, there's no hope for this gazebo. Say bye-bye. Tell Mommy bye-bye.
We got a hose to wash this thing down.